Good morning, guys. Today I am going to derive the first formula from the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry or analytic geometry both are same. Find the distance between 2 points. Find the distance between the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay, so x1, y1. Take any point x1. The points A and B. We are going to find out the distance between A and B. So A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2. So here, first thing you need to do is draw a triangle, right angle triangle in the the line should be the hypotenuse of that triangle, the longest distance. So A, B, I'm going to write the intersection of the two perpendicular lines. I'm going to write it as C, A, B, C. Say x1, y1 means the distance from the origin to A. The horizontal distance from origin to A is x1, vertical distance y1. And what is the point x2 means? X2 is the distance, horizontal distance of that point from the origin and perpendicular distance from origin to that point, that is x2, y2. So consider the triangle ABC by using Pythagorean theorem, Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Hypotenuse square is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So AB square. What is AC square? AC is, say AC square. What is AC? AC is x2 minus x1, horizontal distance from the origin to C minus the horizontal distance from the origin to A, that is x2 minus x1. AC is x2 minus x1. The whole square plus what is BC? BC is the vertical distance. What is B? Vertical distance from the origin to B. And what is C? What is the distance, perpendicular distance from the origin to C? That is y1. So how can you get BC? Just subtract y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, thank you.